So we were just in that tower. Oh, I could have walked through the inside? Dang. But anyway, we're gonna, those elevators in there got modernized, very sadly. And I wanna see if these towers' elevators are still original or not. It's quite a shame to see those elevators go because honestly, I don't see anything wrong with them. I don't know, maybe there's shit that I didn't know about, probably. Anyway, look at these nice flowers. Gonna be, maybe, if, I don't know if these are still in the middle of the mod, but if they are, I might see if I can speak with some of the mechanics doing the mod. I don't know, we'll have to see. Alright, let's go in here. There's some sort of food setup, not food, jewelry.
And who are you with? What team is that? I just saw some of your go.
They came in from a meeting, yeah. They were like, you gotta go upstairs. They're boosting. Yeah,
It's amazing how as soon as people find out they're good, they're like, yeah, I'm on.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Happy holidays.
Yeah, people are going to know hard.
Take care.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, these ones are totally different from the other tower. What the heck? The towers are like identical, but they have completely different elevator setups. Well, kind of similar. There's still 6 cars, but like different. The elevators look totally different. The setup is basically the same. Pardon me.
17th floor, down.
Sorry, I got off on the wrong floor.
Oh, no worries.
Have a good one. Oh, wow. This is good. I guess this is what the older ones look like. Shook hand. Go up to 16. These go 700 feet per minute. These are pretty quick. Right back down to the lobby. This side because it's fancy. We're starting on 14. You coming down? Guess not.